man, made the food and time to watch. If I had the Frozen on the DVD, no one got to watch it. Don't watch it. Wait, what? Is she gonna call it a scary cartoon Disney DVD? Oh my gosh. See the goes in the polo. This doesn't have a scary cartoon the DVD. Just watch it yourself. Okay. Just put the disc in. Wait, what? Just as I have the disc, just watch it. Fine. There. I put the movie in. Let's get it started. You want to pull up? Oh, the ranges selection. I want to talk my movie in English. You see the Disney logo? You see the Disney logo? So beautiful castle. Very cool.
This Disney DVD
This has a Disney Fastway.
Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically.
Popo, that's Fastway. The main menu. Okay, use main menu. Okay. Now, this is putting in the DVD menus. Yes, play movie. See scary. Oh no, why is that sound? Oh no, oh no, oh no, he take your boat. What is that? Oh no, what is that? Told you.